The Crest 8600, shown with 3 blades, backed by popular demand. I'm going to put it up to full power with all 6 blades just so I can refresh my recollection of the performance, and then we'll cancel out half the blades. Okay. It takes a number 2 screwdriver, not a number 3, so I'm going to take the light off so I can get to the screws a little bit easier. And of course, this does have incandescent light bulbs in it. These are the same tiny little screws that the 5500 series uses as well. I guess this was commonplace for Crest. Okay, there it is with the 3 blades. It looks a little ridiculous, but not as bad as I was expecting. We'll begin with the low. I suspect it'll move considerably more air now. 3 blades seems to be that like hot spot where everything performs the best. Yeah, there's more air. I can feel a considerable amount of air moving just on low. You can see the tassels blowing around a little bit. This doesn't have very much pitch to it at all. Okay, we'll go up to the medium now. It's already moving about as much air as it was before on high. Yeah, we're going to see a serious performance jump on high. Now the airflow does become very choppy at this configuration. It's a much more smoother, steadier airflow with the 6, but this definitely has a much higher velocity. Somebody suggested that I take all the blades off and weigh each individually. And that's an interesting idea. I never really thought about doing that because I guess I just always associate a balance issue with some kind of a clock problem. Either the blades are too high, too low, not lined up correctly with the one diagonally opposite to it, etc. Or not diagonally opposite, just completely opposite. But it is possible that the blades are not balanced correctly too, in terms of weight. It is definitely a consideration. Let's see how bad it shakes. It's not really any worse than it was before. It certainly sounds different. You can tell it's running a lot faster. Although, you know what? It's not all that much faster. It's not running like ridiculously fast right now. Wow, what a difference that made. This is into the higher performance category now. Wow, that made a huge difference. If I come all the way across the room, I can actually feel air kicking up the wall now, all the way across the room. And a respectable amount of it too. It's amazing how these products are designed with cosmetics first. This could be such a much higher performance fan if it was sold like this. Yeah, this is pushing air around the entire kitchen right now. I'm standing over here by the stove and I can feel air rushing up the wall. That's pushing a lot of air right now. This is comparable to I would say this is in the 5,000 CFM range now. Higher 5,000s. It's quite strong. Yeah, this is now a very respectable 52-inch unit in terms of airflow. Yeah, there's a lot of air kicking back up the walls. Unbelievable. Even over here, and going into the hallway, where there's no wall, I can still feel the air exchanging between the kitchen and the hallway. Well, I'm very curious to see now how it'll work with 2. I wonder if it'll be even stronger. It might not be. I really think that 3 is like the best number for blades. We're having a tripod malfunction here. Alright, so very interesting results. I knew it was going to be better with 3, but I wasn't sure how much. This is more than I was expecting. This actually is putting this into like the high performance category now, which is incredible because it's quite below average as it comes from the factory with all 6. You know, I suppose that, no, I guess it doesn't matter because I got to rearrange everything anyways. I say I should just do the 2 blades now, but I got to take most of it back off again anyway, so that doesn't matter. I'll do it some other time. You know, I'll get some shots of it around the room, what it looks like with the 3 blade, just so we can see. This is the slowest configuration I can get. This is low on the chain and low on the wall. And it's definitely faster than it normally is. Although I could never get a really good low with this. It was always a little bit kind of fast, even with all 6 blades. It doesn't look horrible. I certainly prefer it with 6, but it doesn't look unreasonable like it did with the 4. When it's off, it don't look too good. It was okay on the low, but now when it's off, you can tell something's a little weird about it. Especially with the center globe on. The 3rd blade disappears depending on where you're looking at it. This is definitely what we call a form over function product. This has been a highly requested video, along with it running on 2 blades. I'm surprised nobody has asked to see the Home Trends one in the same configurations. I'll show it, but it just hasn't been asked for. Now the Home Trends is already a pretty respectable performer as it is. I'm very curious to see how much more air it moves on 3 blades. It might really move some air around. Oh, this is really driving me nuts. Okay, back to normal. There's a lot more motor hum with it on 6 blades. The hum kind of went away on 3, but it definitely comes back with all 6. And a lot more load on the motor, twice the load. Such a nice looking fan though. All right, well, we'll revisit this one more time and we'll put 2 blades on it and see if the performance continues to improve. I'm not sure that we're going to notice much of an advantage with 2 versus 3, but we'll give it a shot.